Hello viewers, this City Technical. If you can see, this one is ready. One of our customer ordered for it. It's almost ready. This is I60 standing type. This one is the size 60, the 8 to 9 hours machine. This one is the size 60. This one also here is the size 60. We are still assembling this one. This one here is the size 100. Yeah, people's order. We are still assembling them. The jobs. This one over here is the size 100. This one is the size 100. We are still assembling this one also. Because it the top. This one is a size 60 blast freezer. This one is also in progress. We are still assembling it. Just call us on 08066299127. 08066299127. WhatsApp or call the number 08066299127. Do nationwide delivery and installation. Doesn't matter the state you are, just make your order. We deliver and install nationwide. Deliver through ABC Transport Company, Chisco, Ezewata, Peacemas, and God is good. Deliver through those transport companies. So once you make your order, we assemble it and we bill it to you. This one now they ready. This one now a person get and we go see where bill. This one now the size 60 standing type. This one blast freezer size 60 also. So make your order. Call us on 08066299127. Like this now, they work now. They assemble the machines one after the other. Just call us on 08066299127. City Technical.